How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To leave a league in Fantasy Premier League, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Go ahead and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Leagues and Cups tab and further scroll down and you will be able to see all the leagues that you are a part of. Simply tap on the league that you want to delete and you will see the option for Leave League. Tap on that and then tap on the Confirm button, and with this you will be able to leave the league. So, this is how you can leave league on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.